Hi everyone. I've gotten a couple of emails from students just wanting to clarify what the homework assignment was or what the assigned reading was or what could be expected for next week. So I just wanted to go over a couple of things or reiterate a couple of things. So this is the copy of the course syllabus. You guys who were there in class today, you got a copy, a physical copy. It's also available on the course website. And you can download a PDF version of it from there as well. Let me know if you have any trouble finding that. So anyway, here's the course syllabus. So if you scroll all the way down, okay, I think this is page 4, starting on page 4. This is your course schedule. So as we discussed in class today, this class meets in person in ISEF 2 days a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And generally, the way that this class is structured is that each week you will have what I'm calling a lesson. I've numbered them. They go from 0 all the way up to, let's see, I think 11, all right? So you have basically one lesson per week. When you come in pretty much every Tuesday, you will have had usually it's going to be just some pages or a chapter from your textbook. Sometimes, like for example, this week, you may have some additional readings. Like I've got 2 short articles on here that I'm asking you to read as well, in addition to some selected pages from chapter 2 from your textbook, so 20 to 21, and a few pages from chapter 3 of your textbook. So I know it looks like a lot, but it's not that much. So our next class, this was our class today, Thursday, January 20th. Each week when we come in on Tuesdays, the way that the class will generally be structured is that at the start of class, the first 5 to 15 minutes, you're going to have a short quiz. It's going to be, I'd say 5 to 7 multiple choice or true-false questions. The content of the quiz will be based on whatever the assigned reading is for that date. So when you come in next Tuesday, January 25th, we'll start out initially right at, class starts at 1 o'clock. We'll administer the quiz for the first 10 or 15 minutes, and the content that will be covered on that quiz will be this content. So the Alexander article, it's actually a selection from the Eric notebook from UNC Chapel Hill, as well as this short publication from the CDC, and then the 2 short chapter selection or page selections from your textbook. Okay, so you'll come in on Tuesday, the first 5 to 15 minutes, will be a short quiz on this content, all right, and then the remaining, hour and 15 minutes or so of the class will be your traditional, interactive lecture, where we'll be talking about the content that was covered in your assigned reading. Okay, so after Tuesday evening, I will post the materials for your in-class work session, which will be on Thursdays. So on every Tuesday, you're going to have a quiz at the start, followed by a traditional, classroom lecture. And then every Thursday, you're going to come in having read all of your case study materials in advance. Usually it'll be, some kind of publication from a peer-reviewed article and a series of questions. Coming into class that Thursday prepared to have an active working section where you're going to be paired up with one other person from the class, and you guys will be working together on answering the questions. Okay, so I'll try to get those posted before the weekend if possible, so you have some time to look at it. If you guys have any questions about that, please let me know. Sorry for any confusion. I'll be available via email and text message over the weekend if you need me. Have a good weekend, everyone.